So getting back to the practice or business side of medical devices. So one is the business side. So for devices that are recommended as part of a treatment care plan to a patient, who ultimately is paying for that? And what are the different business models if I'm creating a medical device startup?
Yeah, in medical device, mostly B2B. In consumer device, wellness devices, people buy it. In medical, B2B. In Germany, for example, people going to die, but not to pay by themselves. So this is what happens. So people get used to. So our society just make people get used to somebody pay for their disease management, and this is complicates and increase the cost of the whole healthcare. That's why it's very difficult to change something, because too many stakeholders in this market and try to do something. What I learned in the business, what really works is only one-step decision. You don't have to think about 5 steps ahead, because you create a lot of uncertainties. You have to think about one step ahead, and that's why I designed something we call it backward, that I teach my students and entrepreneurs about backward planning, because this gives the opportunity to see yourself in the future. But it doesn't eliminate, but it eliminates complexity. Because if you think about several steps ahead, you create a lot of complexity in your thinking and in implementation as well. So it's very important to think one step ahead, and then to recognize what happens and to re-evaluate. So you know how it looks like. You take background data, you think about this data and extract what is important, then you evaluate what is important, and then you decide, make conclusion. This is the line of thinking that is important for entrepreneur to succeed. A lot of techniques we can talk about for days, but this is one of the main techniques